This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Wesselo Nissan Kia is located at 33633 Camino Capistrano in San Juan Capistrano. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.